Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Wix website files. So let's get started. So in order to do that, you first need to have a button. It can be any button or any element as long as you can make a click on it. So in here, I will just click on this add element. Then under that, I can actually add in a button depending on what I want. I can add a button or I can also add in a specific text. Now for this one, I'll just add in a text, which is this heading 6. So I will drag this on my website and then I will edit it out in order to put in the text that I want. So I will put here, click here to download. So for example, I will put that, and once I have actually edited the text type, I can click on this icon right here, which is the link. So click on link right here. Once you have click on that, you should be able to see that you can link this into edit things. So for me, I'll just choose document and then click on choose file. Now under here, I should be able to upload a document that I can use. So for this one, I will upload a new media from my computer. So click on this drag computer and then I will put in a picture which says like and subscribe. So I will open that and then this will upload to my Wix gallery. And then after it's done uploading right here, I should be able to select it. So let's try to select it. And then once you have selected that specific picture, you should be able to add this to your page. So you can also choose in specific pictures as well. So in the document type, you can use picture or you can also use documents in here. Just click on add to page and then in here, you will be able to see that your doc has been linking into that specific email. So in here, once you have done that, you should be able to see what you're linking it into. So let's close this and then let's open this again. And let's also attach a new file. So let's attach this and click on add to page. And we need to first select a text. So for this text right here, we should be able to use the specific text right here. So let's select this one and then click on link. And then click on document. Click on choose file, and then just choose the file in here that you want to add, for example. So for example, let's try to click on this one, click on done, and once you have actually linked that, you can be able to see that preview. So let's see a preview of what it will look like. So once it's opened the preview, we should be able to see this. So when you click on this link, make sure to download, it will open a file, and as you can see, we have successfully downloaded this specific file. That's the whole process. I hope this video helped you download Wix website files. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!